So here's the thing, it's midsummer here in Finland, we are at the summer house and the sun is shining and the life is good. On our way here, there's 2 abandoned gas stations that I always want to take photos of. I have my Fujifilm X100 Mark VI and I'm gonna go there and try to take some good photos. I think this time I'm gonna use only film recipes, so these photos are straight out of camera. I'm not gonna edit them at all in Lightroom in post. Maybe I will crop them. If I do, I will let you know. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, this one used to be Esso for sure. It's I'm not sure if there's any Essos outside Finland, but it is a gas station brand. Also, it's not so nice to be here all alone. It's a little bit creepy, even though it is daytime. I don't know, I guess there's always something weird about these abandoned places. They're really cool though, but yeah. Oh, look! Here is some color negatives. Filthy. Take a look here. Here's some old photos and film strips. I don't know why though. Definitely a cool place. Just have to be really careful where you're stepping on. I just step on a rusty old nail with these flip-flops. So note to yourself, next time bring sneakers or at least something else than stupid flip-flops. Very cool place. This is a really nice sun hitting on that. I don't know what this is called. An old gasoline pump place, I guess. There's a nice light going there, so taking a photo. This red pocket looks really cool. I think this is gonna be the money shot.
Boom. I like it.
Just came back to the car from the first gas station and it was really cool. A little bit creepy and moody, but I guess I like it. Now heading towards the next one. I have my doubts and it's not gonna be as cool as the first one, but you never know. Maybe it's my lucky day. Okay, so this is what happened. I was supposed to go there directly from the other gas station, but I just couldn't find it. I knew that it was somewhere there, but like it was just well hidden. And then I was like, I don't know, it, let's do it another time. And now it's the other time. This time I am wearing sneakers, which is positive. I see tits. These old gas pumps are pretty cool. I guess this was the main entrance. I wonder if I can get in. One thing I really don't like about the Fujifilm film emulations is the clarity setting. Now, see when I take a photo, it's quite slow, but when I toggle the clarity from -2 to 0 and take a photo, it's instant. So it's actually the clarity setting that makes these emulations pretty slow. But I kind of like the results, so sometimes I toggle it on, sometimes I keep it at 0. Try to be careful with the nails this time. This is an old Finnish phone book. So when I look at this stuff, especially this folder, I think this gas station was abandoned in '94. And this floor is definitely not holding my weight. Looks like this place was definitely burnt down. Like that wall there, completely burnt. I'm not sure if I should be here. Just not sure if I should walk there or not. Probably not, but I think that's the only way in there, and that was like the main lobby or the main hall of the gas station, I guess. Really want to go there, but maybe I just shouldn't. But I guess I am doing it anyways. Have to be super careful with these nails this time. There's all over.
Okay, so this is the main hall. This was the main entrance, I guess. Nothing really left. There's a bee's nest, so I guess it's my call to get out of here. Woo. And I'm out. It's hot here. A very cool place, a lot worse condition than the first gas station I visited a few weeks ago. But still, nevertheless, a very cool experience, a little bit spooky. I think even more scarier than the first one, and eerier, but also moodier, I guess. It was clearly burnt down, and it was full of bees and rusty nails, so you had to be really careful there. But I hope the photos turned out really well. I think this is a perfect camera for a situation like that. You can just poke it through small holes and places and take photos and see a glimpse of light and just capture it. And it's more than capable of capturing the photos, so hopefully the photos will turn out great. But I guess that's it. Let me know in the comments if you like videos like this. Should I visit more abandoned places? And hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.